How to learn a programming language with ChatGPT. I was actually playing around and we created some cool, websites with ChatGPT, just a few prompts, and you can actually use this to learn a programming language. For example, let me come to ChatGPT and put in a prompt where I can use it to help me write a piece of code that is simple or maybe repetitive. So let's ask it to help me create a C++ code that takes an input integer n and it will print a Fibonacci sequence right here. And it also will explain to you what is actually going on. As you can see, it's a really good tool to learn. Now, what you can also do is you can ask ChatGPT to suggest, another alternative approach for the given code. So, can you prove some alternate approach, all right, to print a Fibonacci sequence? Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, let's regenerate this. All right, it seems that my ChatGPT Plus, free plan ended, so we're going to use it in new chat. That's perfectly fine and okay. So I can ask it the same question right here, and it remembers from the memory, right? I remember what it gave me, so I can go ahead and use this as well. Now, what you can also do, so here it explains everything to you. You can also use ChatGPT to help you debug code. Let me get a sample code to show you. All right, so I'm asking ChatGPT to, can you please debug this code? And I added a colon at the end so it knows where the code is actually starting. So I'm going to paste this code right here, and we will give this to ChatGPT. Let's see what it does. As you can see here, it is debugging this code, and it has given me the correct code, right? And you can also use ChatGPT to help you complete codes, right? And this is what you do. All right, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to complete the given pseudocode in C++ language, and make sure you add the colon at the end and then give your code so it knows where exactly the code is starting. You want to be very specific with this. And here you go, guys. It is giving me the complete C++ implementation of the pseudocode I gave it. And of course, when you're using ChatGPT to help you with programming, you want to first, identify your learning goals. Tell it exactly what you want to learn. For example, C++, that's what we're doing right now. You want to ask questions to ChatGPT. For example, you can ask it, what is it programming? Okay, or more specific questions. For example, what are the fundamental concepts of Python? Okay, ask it questions, help it to create you short notes. As you can see right here, it is teaching you. And then you can ask questions, of course, follow tutorials. You can ask it to tell you how to create or how to write a basic Python program. Okay, it's gonna guide you. It's like your teacher. And you can also ask ChatGPT to give you some coding resources, maybe recommend you some books or specific topics, and you can go ahead and practice coding with it and ask ChatGPT for coding challenges or practice problems. As you can see right here, it is giving you the step-by-step guide on how to create a basic Python program. And there you go, guys. Good luck with your programming learning.